Back at it again for a crave exposure. Yeah, we here for a crave exposure. Money is the mission, money green vision. Dipping, gunning for the cream, no assistant. Running with the missus. She's so committed, trying to open up my toy boy way before Christmas. What it is, what it do. Trying to do what I gotta do to be the best in the business. Go banana on the track, I'm about to go ape. I'm King Kong climbing up the Empire State. Lane just no thing, that's why I'm down like planes. I'm stairs to you niggas. A step up, your dudes falling. Behind like Hans, you gotta catch up. And the sex is up. Being that I'm just getting out there, my first passion, my first thing I'm gonna try to achieve is get heard. This right here was a completely different flow, different flavor, everything. The memories came straight off the memory lane. Oh, how I remember them days remain clear as day, crystal. You don't know what I never been through. It was hell, what I really went through. I gave up my halo and my wings just to get through, just to get to this moment in my life where everything seems right. Despite the things I had to sacrifice, asking God for better. Maybe I ain't asking right, asking nice, or maybe I ain't acting right. He put a lot on my plate. It really didn't matter if I ever had an appetite. I'm pouring out my memories, pouring out some Hennessy, watching the ones I love become enemies. My heart get colder, colder than the wind that breeze. No cursing. It's pure lyrics, like. And I'm not a big-headed rapper, like I'm not gonna say I'm the best out there, like you can tell me I'm the best, like I could have 40 million different people tell me that I'm the best, but there's always room for improvement. Practice make perfect, even though they always say nobody's perfect, like it's funny, but always gotta get better, more improvement. I love being on the stage, love it. I want to be considered like one of the best that came from Bridgeport, like simple, plain and simple, like one of the best that I want to be the pioneer. Like if I can't be the pioneer, I just want to be the usher. Like just ushering a whole lot of other artists in here. But other just live comfortable. Just live comfortable. I don't want that big extravagant life, you know, Bentleys and all that. Like I do want me a nice car, like 1957 Pearl White Rolls Royce. I don't know nothing about it. This is what y'all is gonna like this. Something like this. Something real nice. Sure. It's not a dream. Stacks on the track, throwing up like Eva Lehman. We drop bombs over here. We drop bombs over here. Yeah. We drop the block what you want over here. We drop bombs over here. We drop bombs over here. I'm feeling like Tupac. We gon' bomb first, then all the survivors getting 2 shots. On my bartender status, serving all my haters bombs, but y'all can call them Jaegers. My style saver, I spit blaze on the mic, and I write razors.
Have you ever experienced Jamaica? The warm tropical climate, the beautiful smiling faces, and most of all the mouth-watering foods. Well, you can experience all that right here at the Kingston Cafe, where lunch and dinner is served. Oxtail, curry goat, brown stew chicken, ackee and saltfish, escovitch fish, snapper or porgy, bami, fried plantains, garden salad. They also have goat head soup, red pea soup, and much more. Thirsty? Try their homemade juices, sorrel, ginger beer, carrot juice, and fruit punch. We are open Monday to Thursday 10 a.m. to 9 p.m, Friday and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And from 12 to 2 p.m. they have lunchtime specials for $5. Located at 730 Barnum Avenue in Stratford, Connecticut, just past Burlington Coat Factory. For more information, telephone 203-540-5825 or www.kingstoncafe, spelled with a K.com, for quality and service. The experience you'll find you will never forget.
Money over most, they want my bread, I give them toast, and these pigeons get nothing but a mouth full of seeds. Believe that, word is born, cha-ching that. These niggas known charging, a known track arsonist. It's dope, you gotta know how to market it. Rawest form, when it comes to me, they useless. They can't hack it. No matter the outcome, they can't hack it. Not at the same fabric. like satin, but rough around the edges. I put the tracks in net. It gets no better than this. I observe the game and see no competitiveness. Feel I'm at the top of my game. To the game, inhale, exhale. Wow, it gets no better than this. I observe the game, see no competitiveness. I feel I'm at the top of my game. To the game, inhale, exhale. Crave exposure. Big shout out to my man over here. Crave J Stacks getting that great exposure. Yeah, Stacks hot like I'm sitting in a desert. In a chinchilla, sauna in a sweater. Drinking hot chocolate, counting my cheddar. Cause the way I feel, if I don't get this money, then who else will? I'm like a mob of Ethiopian kids, I'm so hungry. Can't wait till I get my next meal. That's why the kids stack chump on tracks like Big Macs. And these guys sweet as apple pie. I get them served with a drink and a side of fries. That's why I go nuts. I get these dudes bagged up, spending no more than $4. And this is a man world, never G down the hose up. You know what? I'm what you lanes fear. A monster on the beat, the boogeyman in the snare, staying clear. My lane remains clear. My flow is unbelievable like it flew on a reindeer. You niggas in shallow water, so I'm fighting with a bear, and I swear I'm getting back on my Grizzy like Randy. Yeah, I'm a savage boy, you don't wanna go at it, boy. Money, new swag, new stacks. I'm back and Papa's got a brand new bag. On a brand new route, fresh, brand new path. I still with these tracks like a brand new Jag. I got a brand new hat that matches my brand new kicks. Brand new chicks for this brand new. Brand new, call me Mr. Brand New. Brand new, call me Mr. Brand New. J Stacks coming through with that brand new. Crave exposure, JS brand new. You know where to find me, down in CT. Crave exposure, be with me. Okay, back at it again, yeah. Stacks back at it, Stacks back at it. My lady dudes down like Craftmatics. My flow, yeah, is crack to these addicts. Yeah, it's Stacks on you faggots. You already know, Stacks on the track. Mind on the money, throw it in the back. In the back of the act, bumping like bass. J Stacks got that mace for your face. Spray it, spray it, you already know.